Everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of joining server error. To not fix or how to solve the problem of joining server on WhatsApp, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of WhatsApp and you click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem you have. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.